In this session we're going to look at the ribbon menu. As default, we have switched on the ribbon menu. In other words, each menu has now been represented with these ribbon menus. Statistically, people tend to navigate around the ribbon menus much quicker than they would with a normal classic menu. Each option, whether it's a classic menu or a ribbon menu, can be changed per user. Some users might prefer to have the classic menu on, and that we can then change on the user setup. But let me show you a couple of shortcuts when using the ribbon menu. If I press Alt on the keyboard, each menu has now been represented with a letter. If I then press S for stock, it will open my stock menu. I then press E on the keyboard for inquiries, and immediately it will open stock inquiries. I've pressed Escape on the keyboard to close. Now I'm going to do it quickly, Alt SE, and then it will automatically open this screen for me. In other words, instead of using the mouse, we can navigate around the menus with the keyboard. Sometimes you can quickly learn a few steps, or you can go a little slower by pressing Alt, deciding what's the letter. Then I can say, okay, I would actually like to go to I. Then under I you can say, now I would like to use B for POS back office, and then we can use E for end of day, for instance. So you can decide if you want to learn it or just use it by actually seeing the letter that you would like to use. And that concludes looking at how to use the ribbon menu in conjunction with the shortcuts.